How do you turn the locked private browsing mode on or off? How can you change this setting? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So for that, you need to open up your settings app of the iPad, and on the left panel, when you can see this scrollable list, go to the bottom entirely where you can find the apps menu. So this is for every single app that is installed on your iPad. So you can go through the individual apps, tap on the S for Safari, and from this you can browse all of the random things in here. But the option that we want to get into is regarding of course, the private mode. So you need to just scroll through it and you should be able to find a pop-up which will basically lock the private browsing. The official name for it is require Face ID to unlock private browsing, and if that is turned on, like if the toggle is green next to it, it just means that you will be able to get it to the private mode, but every time you'll need to just scan your face. So even if you leave the Safari and want to return back, you'll have to authenticate yourself again, either through the Face ID scanning or passcode as a backup method. So that is what you need to do, or where you can find it. That is basically it. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorials like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.